Hey guys, Jason Mitchell here, and I want to say that I'm very, very excited to take part of the Modern Real Estate Summit that we have coming up. It's exciting to be on stage with some amazing talent in our industry. I know a lot of the folks there, and they got the best of the best, so hopefully everybody attends. And as far as what I'm going to be bringing to the table, my company is fortunate enough that we have become a massive referral company for a lot of the big organizations out there. In fact, this year we're set to do over 6,000 closings and about 2.4 billion in volume simply with our referral partners that we work with on a daily basis. And so I'm going to be talking about how to build B2B relationships and how you can go out there and find channel accounts and work with organizations and not just consumers. I think you'll find a lot of value in it, and I'm looking forward to being there and presenting and helping in as much as I possibly can. So thank you guys, and we'll see you there.